Introduction to Offline Package Installation.
The offline package installation allows you to add software and dependencies to a system without an internet connection. This skill is essential in secure or remote environments, such as air-gapped networks, research labs, or certain corporate settings. Understanding how to use package managers offline can help maintain system functionality and security under restricted conditions.
Preparing for offline installation.
To install packages offline, first identify the required packages and all their dependencies. On a computer with internet access, use your package manager to download these files. Popular commands include apt-get download for Debian-based systems, yun downloader for Red Hat, or pip download for Python. Store all downloaded files in a portable format, such as a USB drive.
Transferring and installing packages locally.
Once you have the necessary package files, transfer them to the offline system using a secure device. For many package managers, use a simple command to install from local files, such as dpkgi for .deb files, rpmi for .rpm files, or pip install no index find links for Python packages. Ensure all dependencies are included to avoid installation errors.
Creating local package repositories.
For easier management, you can set up a local package repository on your offline machine. This allows the package manager to resolve dependencies automatically. For example, with apt, you can use dpkg-scan packages to create a packages file. Then update your sources list. Other managers, like yum and pip, also support local repositories with simple configuration changes.
Best practices and troubleshooting.
To ensure smooth offline installations, always download package dependencies in advance. Verify integrity with checksums and keep your offline repository organized. If dependency issues arise, check version compatibility and update your package selection on an internet-connected device. Regularly syncing packages and documenting installed versions can help maintain reliable and secure offline systems.